Karmayoga is not just spiritual, it's strategic. In this video, I'll show you how Vedantic detachment helps you make sharper decisions and build a business with impact and inner calm. Scaling an MSME is not just about systems and tools, it's about vision, discipline, and decisions rooted in clarity. I am Abanibhusan Bera and I created this channel to bring you the best of both. AI and sales tactics plus Vedantic insights for growth that lasts. Let's begin. What is a Karmayogi in business? Let's start with the essence. In chapter 3 of the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna defines a Karmayogi as someone who performs action with commitment, without attachment to results, and remains internally anchored in dharma, not ego. This isn't passive or philosophical, it's radically practical. Imagine making hiring decisions without overthinking, letting go of that one bad client without guilt, taking bold risks without obsessing over rewards. Karma Yoga is not inaction, it's intentional, ego-free action. It's how you lead with clarity in a world full of chaos. So let me share a powerful use case scenario. A founder who led with detachment. An MSME founder runs a renewable energy consulting firm. After 5 years, the business reaches 25 lakhs per month in project revenue. One day, she faces 3 major decisions. Number 1, a large client wants a big project but with unreasonable deadlines. Number 2, her co-founder wants to leave. And number 3, a government regulation threatens a key service line. Her team panics, gives conflicting advice. Her inner critic says, "You will lose everything if you mess this up." But instead of reacting, she pauses. She reflects on her Karmayogi practice. Here is what she does. First, journals for 3 days before taking any action. Second, revisits her dharma to build sustainable energy solutions with integrity. Number 3, talks to the co-founder with zero blame, only clarity. Number 4, clients the project that violates their standards. And number 5, starts building a new service line that aligns with the changing regulation. 3 months later, the new service line generates 6 lakhs per month. Her team respects her clarity, her own peace of mind. They did not act emotionally, she acted from dharma with detachment. Now let me talk on why detachment is a leadership superpower. Let's break this down. Detachment doesn't mean indifference. It means you give your best but don't chase results with desperation. You are open to outcomes but not ruled by them. In business, this helps you say no to wrong fit clients, draw vanity goals that don't feel aligned, review numbers with objectivity, not fear, make people decisions with clarity, not guilt. When you are attached, you chase. When you are detached, you choose. That's real power. Now, let me talk on the 3 pillars of Karmayogi leadership. Here is how you can integrate Karmayogi leadership into your daily entrepreneurial rhythm. Number 1, clarity of dharma, that is inner compassion. The leader must ask, what is my business really here to do? What do I stand for beyond revenue? Write it, anchor to it. This becomes your filter for decisions. Number 2, detachment from phala means outcome, the results. Every time you take a big action, remind yourself, my job is to plant the seed, not to control the harvest. This removes panic, builds consistency, reduces burnout. You act because it's the right thing to do, not because it guarantees applause. Number 3, daily tapasya. Consistent effort. Gita doesn't glorify sudden wins. It glorifies steady, value-driven effort. Every MSME founder should build a non-negotiable daily rhythm. Number 1, 1 hour of strategy. Number 2, 30 of silence or reflection. Number 3, 3 high-value actions before noon. And number 4, 10 minutes of team reinforcement of gratitude. Discipline is devotion in action. Now, the leadership traps that break Karmayoga. Here are 5 traps that pull MSME leaders away from this path and how to avoid them. Number 1 is outcome addiction. You check metrics every 2 hours, you feel anxious if a reel doesn't perform, you crave validation. Now what's the remedy? Review results weekly, not emotionally. Track energy, not just likes. Number 2, decision paralysis. You want every move to be perfect. Now what's the remedy? Act from dharma, refine as you go. The Gita says, better to act in your own dharma imperfectly than in another's perfectly. Number 3, comparison loop. You look at competitors and feel like you are behind. Now what's the remedy? Compare to your own path, not others' Instagram feed. Number 4, over control. You micromanage everything because you think I must make it all happen. Now what's the remedy? Detachment plus delegation is equal to freedom. Let your team carry the dharma too. And finally, the number 5, emotional reactivity. You snap at the team, you blame, you burn out. Now, here is the remedy. Practice daily silence. Let thought follow stillness, not the other way around. Now, let's bring this home. Karmayogi leadership is equal to clarity in dharma plus detachment from results plus daily devoted action. You become a better leader not by pushing harder but by acting from awareness. This path builds businesses that scale with integrity, grow with balance, and lead with soul. Know someone who needs this video right now? Hit share, it could be the growth nudge they have been waiting for. And if you have not already, subscribe to stay connected. Until next time, lead boldly, build wisely.